Welcome aboard, everyone. We are now on our way to the Department of Electrical Engineering, and we start our journey from the main gate. We can't wait for you to join us here and hope this would familiarize you with our department way before you physically visit here. So this is the main circle, and behind the administrative building, you see the iconic clock tower located with the library building. The EE building is situated at the other end of the campus, and as we walk through, let us make a brief stop at the lecture hall building where most of your classes would be held. Moving further north from the library building, we have reached the lecture hall building LHB. It's a massive complex with several classrooms meant for different class strengths. On the ground floor is room 110, a huge lecture hall with a capacity of 650. This hall also serves as our auditorium for many of our major institute events. When you join us here in the third trimester, some of your institute-wide courses may be held in this hall. There is another similar lecture hall upstairs, and we'll visit that in a moment. All the classrooms in the lecture hall building are equipped with projectors and green boards. On the ground floor, we have two more classrooms designed for large classes of 120 each. These classrooms are equipped, in addition to the projectors, with motion and voice activated camera systems for remote teaching and a smart board. I'm now heading to the second floor. This is another classroom, Lecture Hall 308, where many of your institute-wide common courses would hold their lectures. Let us now head to the Department of EE. We'll keep moving north, and we'll first come across the Computer Science building, the Chemistry and Biology buildings, and the Basic Lab complex that houses the first-year basic course labs. We'll return to the Basic Lab building in the next session, where we discuss the first-year course on Introduction to Electrical Engineering. And here we are. This is the EE building that currently houses the Department of Electrical Engineering on the first floor and the Department of Physics on the second floor. We are joined here by Hemant, who is a staff member in the office of EE. Teaching labs are located on the ground floor of the building. Our first lab today is the Microwave and Communication Lab, where you would conduct experiments on communication engineering and antenna engineering. Adjacent to this lab, you would be doing lab sessions of courses like power electronics, electrical machines, sensors, and IoT. Next to this is the Embedded Systems Lab, where you would have lab sessions of courses like microprocessors, control systems, embedded systems, digital signal processing, and cyber-physical systems. We also have a research lab on microelectronics on the ground floor. Now let us go to the other side of the building. Here's the Smart Grid Lab. The ground floor also has 4 classrooms for smaller classes, electives, and PG courses. The ground floor also has a seminar room where invited lectures, colloquiums, and your BTech project presentations would be held. We are now heading upstairs to the first floor. To the right here, we have faculty offices, PhD seating space and research labs. This is the image processing and computer vision lab. Moving on to the next lab. Across the PhD seating, we have offices of faculty members. Let us go across and check out more labs. We have a few more offices. The microwave and millimeter wave lab. Here we have the wireless communication and navigation lab. And the microgrid and real-time simulation lab. We'll check out the other side of the EE building. We are now crossing over to the first floor elevator lobby, and these steps would take you up to the Department of Physics. Here we have more faculty offices. The annexure of the microelectronics lab. All friendly faces. And the electronic circuit simulation and systems lab. Some more seating space for research students. And this is the Office of Electrical Engineering. And next to it is the Office of the HOD. So this was a quick tour of our department. As I now head towards the Basic Lab Complex, where we'll discuss the first year course hosted by Electrical Engineering. Thank you all for joining this virtual departmental tour, and we hope to welcome you to the department in person very, very soon. Thank you.